Hey everyone, Michael here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video, I want to talk about 3 very simple hacks you can do on your Shopify store to increase conversions. So without any further ado, let me go ahead and jump right into this. Now what I want to do is I want to pull up my browser. And the first thing that you want to do is actually go into your Shopify store, go into your theme section, and then go into the theme that you want to customize. So we have our debut theme over here. Most of you may be starting with a free theme, which is absolutely fine. And some of the better themes that are free will be either this one, debut, or we have Supply and Brooklyn. Those are all really good free themes to get started with. Now, there are a few things that you want to do to increase conversions on these themes. Now, I'm just going to mention 3 today, which is really simple to do without any coding. So let's get into this. So once you are in the theme section, the theme that you want to customize, all you have to do is make sure you go to the product page. So I have a product here. I'm just going to click on that image and it will bring me to the product page. From here, we have a very simple product page over here, but right here it says tax included. We actually want to remove that over here, okay? Because most people do have their tax included in the price, but we don't have to say that on the product page. So in order to remove this section, all you have to do is go to theme actions, edit languages, and you'll be brought to this page over here. And once that is loaded, we can go ahead and just simply search for included. And then where it says tax included, just go ahead and remove that and save. And once that is saved, we can go back to our product page, refresh, and we can see that the tax will get deleted. All right, so there it is. So that is the first hack, removing tax included on your product page. Because like I always say, confused mind never buy. The more simple it is on your product page, the better. Now, the second hack is actually removing add to cart and buy it now. There's 2 buttons. You really don't need that. And for some pages, because this is in customized mode, some pages actually look like this image over here, whereas you have PayPal and more options over here. Again, like I said, confused mind never buy. It's better just to have one big button to show people where to go next. And that's very simple. It's just this section that says show dynamic checkout button. You can simply remove that and then save. And once that is done, you should only see one button, and that button will be in this nice color. Now, the color-wise, 2 of the best color is bright green and orange. So I will actually update this button color, and I prefer buy it now as text. So in order to update this text, again, you just have to go to languages again, and then just go to products. And then you can ignore this because you just removed a field, which is fine. And then where it says add to cart, you can go ahead and type buy it now and then save. And then that will be reflected over here as well. And some themes you can actually increase the button size and also text size as well. And you want to do that just to make it easier on the eyes so people just know where to go. So that's hack number 2. Hack number 3 is actually currency converter. Some themes have built in this currency converter where you can select different currencies. And also what you have to do to actually enable this is go into your payment section in Shopify, and then where it says currency, you just have to add the different currency you want to display on your store. And this is actually pretty good because if you select, let me go back to the product page, when you select Canadian currency, the price will change. And when you actually click on buy now, let's go to view cart and then check out right here. And then this new feature you can actually check out with the currency they have selected, which is really good if you're selling to international countries. All right. And if your theme don't have that feature, you can simply install an app. Best Currency Converter is the best app to have that setting on your theme. And of course, if that still doesn't work, you have to contact a developer to actually make it work. So those are the 3 hacks that I want to show you today. I hope you enjoy it. This is a very quick video, but I just want to get it out to you so you can start customizing your theme to have better conversions. Again, if you have any questions, comment below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that notification bell to get all my latest updates. With that, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.